Hi, welcome. Today we're going to be doing an owl snowflake, and I'm just going to go ahead and we'll match it up on top of the folded piece of paper, and we'll put some staples in for stability. If you want to go ahead and put one in the eye, you can. There's not a lot of room there, so I think I'm going to leave that one out. I'm going to put a paper clip down here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to cut out the little feather lines first. And if you have any questions on how to fold, there's some tutorials online that I've already uploaded. Feel free to change the feather design if you want to. The patterns are there to help you learn, but you can go ahead and change them to add some of your own personality. On this one, you can decide if you want to cut up a little bit more from the center or not. This one just has a teeny tiny little center. So go ahead and open that and you'll see how little it is. If I can even get to it to open it. So you can make that larger if you want to. It's completely up to you. This one, because it's so small, will definitely tattletale on how well you folded. Because it's possible that it might not even have all 6 points just because it's so little. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and cut out the beak, but as I do, I'm gonna actually cut this one with an access cut. If you wanted to, you could use a paper punch to get in here and then maneuver around with scissors, but I'm actually gonna go ahead and just use an access cut here, and that just means as I'm cutting, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut through this white piece and then up and around. You can do that in places where it's connected to other pieces, so you're not going to lose your piece. Just got to make sure if you decide to do an access cut anywhere in your piece that you're not going to lose part of your snowflake. Okay, so here we go. We're already ready to cut out along the outside. I could switch to my bigger scissors for this. Whatever you are comfortable with. Bigger scissors, you'll have less less choppiness. You'll have a smoother cut for the longer cut because you'll have to open and close the scissors fewer times. Okay. So here we go. Go ahead and move these out of the way. And we'll open up our snowflake. This was designed to be like a little nest of owls that you come across and they're all just peeking up at you. There we go. Thank you for watching.